And we are back, baby. Yes, sir. She's on the ground. It lucky looks really valid. Like, I just need some better fitment potentially like later. But, you know, like it lucky looks really valid with just these rims on as well. Cannot complain, bro. You got this whole thing's a little set up. And I hope you guys are enjoying this build, bro. I know I may or may not show too much, but I also do have to change these and then figure out my bumper situation, how to make this go. That was already a problem with that little gap, but that is all flush. I'm gonna be getting a liner for it as well, so there's gonna be like an update video of me doing that. But other than that, bro, I'll give you guys a full walk around, bro. Full walk around with it. That baby is sexy, bro. I don't know anybody who really showed doing the wide body kits and all that shit, bro, but I do have more coming as well. I do plan on doing the more door shit and, you know, little mods, bro, here and there. But obviously, you know, now that I got the body kit on, I could fucking like do other shit and move on, bro. Get on to wrapping it or doing whatever, you know, I need to do, bro. Honestly, bro, it's on the body, bro. Like, it's no crazy lines sticking out or anything, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? No lines out. All those lines are like low-key flush. You know, I'm just on my way to Home Depot, so I could go get those bolts right now. Maybe I'll record a little bit of that. But everything is basically flush, bro. Nothing's really sticking out too much. If there's anything, I could fucking like, you know, whenever I get that liner, bro, it's gonna be perfect. You know, you're never gonna see anything like that. So yes, sir, bro. And y'all see it with the little Lightning McQueen eyes or Amazon eyes or whatever eyes they got. Just car eyes in general, bro. Angry eyes. Man, this might be the little thumbnail maybe, bro. This motherfucker looks so pretty, bro. But I do like that rear end as well, bro. But they gotta know it's a Miata, bro. Obviously they will, bro. But yeah, I just wanted to show that little setup, bro. You see how the front setup, bro, is like, it matches perfect with it, bro. And I did that before I even got this body kit, bro. I did this to accommodate for it, bro. So like, I'm glad that everything worked out. So other than that, bro, other than my little gap right there, bro, but the bumper also isn't on completely, and I want to bend the metal down a little bit and stuff. So like, I gotta, you know, adjust everything back. I just threw the bumper on real quick. So hey, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I do have one back here, bro. Subscribe to the channel, JoJo Cars, bro. Make sure you guys do that, bro. I really got nothing left to say right now, bro. You guys seen it get put on, bro. You guys seen it mocked up, bro. Like I said, I was gonna throw that video out before this one, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But really got nothing left to say, bro. I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna go in here. Y'all see the chalkboard hood. We got a lot more coming to this build. Hoping not to just, like, you know, sit like this forever, bro. Definitely want to wrap it, make more videos with it, bro. Take it out. I still never took it out on no meats or anything, bro. But it's honestly sitting pretty, bro. Like how it is right now, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? You know, obviously I want to get the over fenders painted and stuff. So once I get that painted, bro, it was not probably, but it's gonna look even better, especially for social media and all that shit. You know, everything that I do, bro, everything that I work on, bro, you already know, bro. I did make a video of making the heart side parts too, bro, and I swear they do match up, bro. Like, I swear they do, bro. So, yeah. Bro, it's a lot, bro, to take in with this build. So, bro, once again, bro, you guys stay in tune to what you see, bro. You know, I try to make videos as much as I can, bro. So, you know what I'm saying, bro? We try to dick around with this car, bro. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And get on the TikTok, bro. Get on the TikTok wave, bro. I don't even have my TikToks on these platforms, and my TikTok's going crazy right now, bro. My TikTok's doing the best out of all my platforms by far. You got half of you guys might be off TikTok right now, so shout out to you guys, bro, for just being a blessing, bro. Because you know, I couldn't do a lot of it without just support in general, bro. So that means a lot to me, bro. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. JoJo Cars all around, bro. I'm gonna go to Home Depot, bro. I'm gonna stop wasting time, bro. I already wasted like 10, 20, 30 minutes just recording and doing all this shit, bro. I could probably clean my car as well today. So, like I probably have to make a video of my door thing being busted. My shit's busted as fuck right now. So, man, y'all just stay in tune, bro. What you see is what you get. Otherwise, the video's over, bro, because the wide body is definitely fucking on, bro. Yes, sir. And, you know, we got the dinghy. So I got to take this shit off and then, you know, do everything I need to do. So y'all stay in tune, bro. All right. We're back after what you would say a little test run. In the back, we're low-key cool, bro. And I low-key might lower that shit a little bit so we don't have as much of a gap. But I might have to raise the front. And I already knew this. That I might have to, because y'all see that? It's tired. That is tire. So, yes sir, scrapey. Just a little bit. But like, now that I'm thinking, like, even if I got, like, say, a rim that would offset a little bit over here, then, like, wouldn't I still hit, bro? Like, so what should I do in that aspect? You know what I'm saying? Like, what are y'all running? Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, bro. But I'm about to change up all the screws, bro. You guys see that it's these screws right now? Regular ass, weird ass screws, bro. So it's gonna be all these in a second. So I'm about to just do that. Swap them out, bro. I think I'm gonna record it. Maybe not. Let me see if this is decent enough, bro, because the other angle wasn't when we were fucking like raised. So now that I'm on the ground, like, it should be better. So stay in tune, y'all. basically, this is how it would look. So I took out the ugly little screws and I put the regular ones that would be here, so it looks a little more clean. Obviously. All right, now we gotta do the rears. It's not really that difficult of a process. It's really just switching them out. I tried to angle out the like, you know, the rivets as much as possible so that I would be able to specifically like I'm just trying to see if I can see, but just so I can specifically like like I angled them like for the body kit, like so that it's flush with like every part of the body. It should be flush. You know what I'm saying? Like that was my goal last night, and when I was putting this on, to angle it and try to get all these things to basically fit. Dude, my finger hurts from just like doing this all by hand. I did it all like I put it on all by hand. So my shit's like aching from like twisting it like this. Like you see how I'm using my fingers right now? My shit hurts. So this one has 5. And these are like new ass screws, so it should like go in pretty decent. We have to put the bottom one first. Gotta get it. This is the annoying part of this. Get it on. Some of them. Hold on, I might have to take off this top one. Do the bottom one first. That's what I was thinking. I tweaked while I was putting this one on. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. That Loki took Loki like another couple of minutes, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But it does look better. It is still stuck, obviously. Like, come on, bro. So I gotta basically do the same thing on the other side right now. So just stay tuned for me to do that, bro. You see how ugly this looks? Like, it looks very, like, kind of noticeable. And then this side is, like, pretty sleek. Like, with the just screws in general. So, yeah. So, give me a second, y'all. I'm gonna just do it. I still have all those screws left. So, we're just gonna get to it and switch them out. So, stay tuned, y'all.